Dig it! Yeah. Go, go, go! Be careful that your pie doesn't fall off the table. That does happen.
Come on, get in there. You can do this.
If you feel like you look ridiculous, that means you're doing it right. So just keep going.
Keep going.
I will. That's like a
Good job, Ayla.
She's really getting in there. Come on, it's all about endurance. It's all about endurance.
You're done.
Well, we definitely lost. Memories of pie that
Oh, my hair's getting all messy. That's okay. That's boring. Yeah.
All done, Molly.
You're gonna lose. If you guys don't want to finish them, you can take them home. I have the boxes.
he can't finish it because he doesn't eat cheese.
It's not cheese.
It's cream.
Then he wants it.
Cheese.
Dig it! I can smash my whole face in there.
We'll take it.
Keep going.
You're making good headway.
Is there another round?
Yeah.
What?
The one girl who won was like annihilated the thing. She was like on the table finishing her pie. It was insane. Like every last bite, it like fell on the table and took the whole thing. Come on, keep going! You trust me, you don't have to eat the tin, just the pie.
Can I turn my pie?
Yeah.
First to Jack.
Are you trying to win here? No. I'm trying to win, but like also
Almost there.
You actually kill Wayne.
what does the cream taste like?
Go ahead.
You don't like that.
There you go.
There you go. That's a bite.
Oh, yeah, you made it. Oh. Wait, we have. Come on, Maya.
That is some
Few more bites. All my pie eating contests have been girls. I love it. Yay! We have our first winner.
Yay!